Welcome to our channel, where we celebrate the beauty and confidence of mature women over 50. Today, we're diving into the world of fashion with a focus on outfits that not only inspire, but also empower. Fashion has no age limit, and it's time to embrace your unique style and express yourself through your wardrobe. As we explore these outfit inspirations, remember that every piece of clothing you choose is an extension of who you are. First, let's talk about the power of layering. A chic blazer paired with a soft, flowing blouse can instantly elevate your look, giving you that polished vibe while remaining comfortable. Adding a statement necklace or a pair of bold earrings can bring your outfit to life, showcasing your personality and flair. Don't shy away from color. Rich jewel tones or soft pastels can complement your complexion beautifully, proving that age is just a number when it comes to style. As we move into the realm of casual wear, think about the timeless appeal of well-fitted jeans, which can be styled up or down depending on the occasion. Pairing them with a classic white shirt and a lightweight scarf can create a look that's effortlessly chic. Remember, it's all about the fit. Embrace your body and find pieces that flatter your shape. A comfortable, stylish pair of flats or ankle boots can complete the ensemble, giving you the confidence to take on your day. Now, let's not forget about dresses. A knee-length wrap dress can accentuate your waist while providing comfort and elegance. Opt for prints or patterns that resonate with your spirit, allowing you to feel as vibrant as you truly are. Layering a denim jacket over your dress can add a casual twist, making it versatile for both day and night. And when it comes to accessories, choose items that reflect your journey and experiences. Perhaps a vintage handbag or heirloom jewelry that tells your story. As we explore these outfit ideas, let's also focus on the mindset that comes with them. Fashion is not just about following trends. It's about embracing who you are at this stage of life. Confidence is your best accessory, and when you feel good in what you wear, it radiates from within. Remember that each day is an opportunity to express yourself and showcase your individuality. Don't hesitate to step out of your comfort zone. Experimenting with new styles can be incredibly liberating and fun. So, whether you're dressing for a casual brunch with friends, a day at the office, or a special evening out, remember that style is about making choices that resonate with you. Embrace the journey of self-discovery through fashion, and wear your outfits with pride. You are not just dressing for your age. You are celebrating your life experiences, your wisdom, and the vibrant woman you continue to be. Thank you for joining us today. And let's continue to inspire each other as we navigate this beautiful chapter together.